Robotics has introduced the world's first hyper-realistic male robot named Henry. Henry features striking facial features, artificial stubble, and a muscular body that draws the attention of many. Some people even compare Henry to a young Brad Pitt. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Henry can recite romantic poetry, sing a song, or tell a joke. He stands 180 centimeters tall, and each unit costs around $10,000. Additionally, Henry speaks English with an impressive British accent. Float therapy in sensory deprivation chambers, or float tanks, is a relaxation method that is gaining popularity for its potential mental health benefits. These chambers are enclosed spaces filled with water that has a high concentration of Epsom salts, allowing a person to float effortlessly and experience a sensation akin to weightlessness. The water's density supports the body on the surface, creating a gravity-free environment. The primary goal of float therapy is to minimize external sensory stimuli such as light and sound, thereby creating a state of complete sensory deprivation. This helps achieve deep relaxation and tranquility, allowing the body and mind to disconnect from external stimuli and stress. It can also improve sleep quality by helping individuals relax and enhance sleep structure. Many people find that float therapy sessions lead to significant improvements in mood and overall well-being. Meet Svetlana Quint, the creator behind the popular YouTube channel Kamui Cosplay. Her channel has gained popularity thanks to her creation of ultra-realistic costumes, cosplays, and unique accessories. Svetlana crafts intricate and detailed costumes using a variety of materials and techniques. In her videos, she provides detailed explanations of the costume-making process, working with materials such as EVA foam and thermoplastics, as well as offering tips on painting and finishing touches. These videos help both beginners and advanced cosplayers improve their skills. What truly stands out is the quality of her work. Her costumes are exceptionally unique and impressive. The Chinese startup UniXAI has unveiled its latest creation to the world, a universal household robot named Wanda. The primary goal of this robot is to simplify everyday household tasks. Wanda is equipped with highly advanced artificial intelligence, enabling it to autonomously perform a wide range of activities, such as cleaning, table service, cooking, and even assisting in the care of the elderly. The robot features flexible joints and powerful actuators, granting it high mobility and the ability to perform complex tasks, such as lifting and moving various objects, including soft and delicate items. Wanda can operate autonomously, completing tasks without constant human supervision. Overall, Wanda represents a promising development that, with proper advancement, could potentially compete with industry leaders in the future. Introducing the Marble Machine, a mechanical semi-automatic acoustic instrument that captivates the imagination. The creativity of its creator, Martin Moline, the ambitious nature of the project, and the boldness of the concept border on the finest expressions of artistic madness. Skeptics have expressed doubts, suggesting that it couldn't possibly work. The complex and meticulous work on the instrument spanned 14 months. By February 2016, Wintergotten had fully completed the Marble Machine. The machine operates on a principle where music is produced through the interaction of 2,000 marbles with percussion instruments, a bass guitar, and a metallophone, all mounted on a wooden frame. The intricate mechanism, powered by the musician's muscle strength, moves the marbles, which then fall onto the instruments in a specific order to produce sounds. It works like this. The musician turns a crank, marbles drop, and a melody emerges. The order of the marbles' fall is determined by a special programming wheel, functioning similarly to the cylinder of a large music box. Introducing Strand Beast, a series of kinetic sculptures created by Dutch artist Theo Jansen. These constructions, also known as beach animals, move using wind energy. Jansen began creating Strand Beasts in 1990, and since then they have continuously evolved. The sculptures are made from PVC pipes, wood, fabric wings, and plastic bottles. They can move across sandy beaches thanks to a complex system of triangles and linkages that convert rotational motion from an axis into a stepping movement. Some models can store air pressure to move in the absence of wind, and even detect water to avoid it. More advanced models can anchor themselves to the ground when a storm approaches. In 2021, Janssen introduced the Volantum series, marking a significant step in the evolution of Strand Beasts. These models can lift off the ground, adding a new level of complexity and interactivity to their design. Janssen continues to experiment with different materials and mechanisms to improve his creatures and adapt them to the harsh conditions of the beaches. The Japanese company Booster Robotics has developed the humanoid robot BR-002, which showcases advanced mobility and versatility and is designed to perform complex movements with precision. One of its standout features is its ability to transition from a prone position to standing by folding its legs backward, a maneuver similar to that performed by Boston Dynamics robot Atlas. This capability highlights the sophisticated motion control algorithms used in BR-002, enabling it to execute lateral and vertical splits and achieve 360-degree joint rotation. The BR-002's design incorporates complex physical and mathematical principles, advanced motion control algorithms, and high mobility capabilities, making it suitable for various applications. Additionally, Booster Robotics plans to officially launch the BR-002 later this year, marking the beginning of small-scale production and sales. The Chinese company Hangzhou Turui Intelligent has introduced the Turui Dual-Arm Compound Robot, an advanced robotic platform designed to enhance industrial automation, innovative education, and intelligent service applications. This robot is equipped with two 7-axis robotic arms, each capable of handling up to 5 kilograms of load. It can move at a speed of 1 meter per second, making it suitable for tasks that require fast and precise movements. Additionally, the robot is equipped with various sensors, including visual and force sensors, which enhance its ability to safely and effectively interact with its environment. The robot's design includes a mobile chassis, depth vision, a voice module, and a dexterous 5-fingered hand, allowing it to perform complex tasks and intuitively interact with human operators. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.